Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 733 float field. So your image, and you're starting with this sRNA-C, which is a coordinate, and also a new color. And you first you need to perform a so-called float field. So you go to float field. Basically, you first check sRNA-C, and you find color must be new color. And whatever is new color, that you start to float. So everything connected to four direction to it must be the same color, and you need to return the modified image. Well, this problem is a simple DFS, right? Because so you can just starting from this point and then run the DFS, depth first search. Okay, and then whatever you see with the same color, that you just do the same, right? You just plug the same, do the same color. Okay, so let's say M and N are just the parameter, and then you start with S, R, and C, and then you call it same color. Okay, and then you visit, and you change it into a new color. Now, whenever you see the same color as the image, then you need to change it to new color. So you run your DFS. So DFS is that this is the recursion method. So you add the visit of this node G, and then you take out the coordinates, and you ask whether the four possible directions, whether they has the same color as the same color. Okay, so this is just the boundary condition that if the image on these four directions is the same color, that means you find there is a graph and you connect to them, then you change it to a new color. And if this is not via visit, then you run DFS. So this is the standard depth first search. So you add the graph, add the node, and finds edge, finds neighborhood, and run DFS. Okay, after you do this, then you just run a simple DFS start at this one, and then you just return the image. Okay, that's it. Yeah, you can simply solve it. Okay, and let me just quickly say, so actually this problem is exactly the same as this is called the number of island. Okay, so this number of islands do exactly the same thing, but you need to return the so-called kinetic component, right? So you can just copy the code and then change the original one to this one. Okay, and then you define component to be 0. Now you run through every component, run through every point, run through every node. If ij is 1 and ij not yet visited, that means you find a new kinetic component. So component add 1 and you run DFS. Okay, return a component. Okay, so actually the number of items and the previous question, this one flow field is exactly almost the same code. Just run a DFS on the square grid. This is the common problem that you can maybe find 10 of them on Leetcode. Okay, see you guys next videos.